Hey everyone, and welcome back to What Is. Today, we're tackling a sport that's as uniquely American as apple pie, hot dogs, and, well, football itself. What is American football? Now, if you've ever stumbled upon a game, you might have thought you'd tuned in to a slightly more aggressive, oddly choreographed ballet. And honestly, you wouldn't be entirely wrong. At its core, American football is a game of territory. Two teams, each with 11 players on the field at a time, are trying to move an oval-shaped ball down a rectangular field 100 yards long, marked by goal lines and end zones at either end. The ultimate goal: to get that ball into the opponent's end zone. That's called a touchdown, and it's worth 6 glorious points, usually followed by a chance to kick an extra point for one more. Think of it like a very strategic, very physical game of chess. Except, instead of pawns and kings, you've got quarterbacks, running backs, receivers, offensive linemen who look like they were carved out of granite, and defensive players whose sole mission seems to be stopping your progress with extreme prejudice. The game is divided into 4 quarters, usually 15 minutes each, though with all the stoppages, timeouts, and the occasional existential crisis of a referee trying to decipher the rulebook, it feels a lot longer. The offense, the team with the ball, gets 4 chances, or downs, to advance at least 10 yards. If they succeed, they get a fresh set of 4 downs. If they fail to gain those 10 yards after 3 downs, they usually have to make a decision. They can punt the ball away, essentially giving possession to the other team but far down the field. Or they might try a risky 4th down conversion. It's like the sports equivalent of a cliffhanger. And then there's the defense. Their job is to prevent the offense from advancing, to tackle the ball carrier, intercept passes, or sack the quarterback before he can even think about throwing the ball. It's a constant battle of strategies, formations, and sheer athleticism. The ball is primarily advanced in 2 ways: running, where a player carries the ball, weaving through defenders like a rebellious semicolon, and passing, where the quarterback throws the ball to a teammate. Passes can be short and precise, or long and spectacular, soaring through the air like a feathered missile. The physicality is a huge part of the game. Players wear helmets and pads, and for good reason. Tackles can be ferocious. It's a contact sport, no doubt. But it's also a game of incredible skill. The precision of a well-thrown pass, the agility of a receiver making a fingertip catch, the strategic brilliance of a coach calling the plays, it all adds up to a spectacle that can be absolutely captivating. There are also field goals, worth 3 points, usually attempted when a team is close enough to the opponent's goalposts but can't quite reach the end zone. And then there's the often confusing concept of penalties. Offsides, holding, pass interference. These infractions can result in a loss of yards or even a first down for the opposing team. It's like a surprise pop quiz for the players and a guaranteed rant for the fans. But beyond the rules and the points, American football is a cultural phenomenon. It's about community, about cheering for your team, about the shared experience of watching these titans clash on the gridiron. It's tailgating with friends, wearing your team's colors, and debating the merits of a controversial call for hours. It's a game that can be complex, thrilling, frustrating, and utterly exhilarating, often all within the span of a single play. It's a sport built on strategy, power, and a whole lot of heart. So, that's American football in a nutshell, or perhaps in a helmet. What did we miss? What are your favorite football moments? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this dive into the world of American football, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to What Is for more explanations on everything under the sun. and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you next time.